Hello everyone and welcome on this new silver analysis from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So first of all, I would like to move right now to the weekly chart to have a better analysis for the silver. Now what we can see based on the weekly candles is of course the strongest bearish candle after a long rally of I think around 8 weeks, even 9 weeks, even 10 weeks, sorry. And as you can see right now, this was of course the most volatile candle happened since March. Therefore, the silver most likely, guys, is right now making a strong correction, and most likely we are looking to consider selling the pair for the upcoming week. Now, I would like to apply something called the magic of trend lines, and I have tons of videos on my channel explaining how does this work. So what you can do first of all is draw here a resistance trend line number 1. Actually, I would like to get rid of that ray. Okay, so we have resistance trend line number 1, number 2, 3, and 4, and 5. As you can see, the market actually has always respected this level as a resistance trend line. Now what you can do next is simply back test your line, which means just bring it at any level of another resistance or support trend lines and see if the market indeed respected those areas. So as you can see, if I place it right here exactly, perfect. We can see that the market indeed respected this level as a support trend line. Place it, for example, at this level of a support trend line, and you will see the magic. As you can see, just like that. Fantastic. As you can see, the market has respected this level as a support trend line. Even after the fake breakout, the market is still respected the same level as a support trend line. That's why, guys, we call it the magic of trend lines. These lines are never random. Wherever you place it, you will see the market always respecting those areas. Even right here, if I'm not mistaken, if I place it right here, we can see a perfection as well, exactly as you can see right here. Again, to understand this better, you can just simply look up the videos called the magic of trend lines, which can be found on our channel. Second, what you need to do right now is simply change it now to the ray, and now place the same line that you have right on this level of a support trend line to see something. So let me just place it right now, and as you can see, interesting. Now as you can see, after this bullish breakout happened, the market has actually failed to respect the same level of a support trend line and didn't reverse. Instead, it just kept falling. That's interesting. So why is it reversing right now, right here exactly? For a simple reason. If I place the same line on this level right here of a resistance trend line, let me just show it to you. Check this out. Now we can see a reversal happening. That's my friends telling us that since a resistance trend line becoming a new support trend line, it means that most likely the market is actually making a pullback. And that being said, the market most likely, guys, will continue the rise a little bit more and then continue the fall. Now, how far can we expect the silver to continue the fall to? The answer will actually be by placing the same support trend line on this level of a support trend line. So just simply do it like that. And there you have it. Now we can see that most likely the silver will continue the fall until the market reaches the same level of a support trend line, which tells us that the silver has a high chances and to continue the fall and to complete the correction after it dropped to another 360 pips. Now, from horizontal view, from horizontal view, what we need to do right now is simply draw the Fibonacci right from this low right here to this high. Now, as you can see, we have Fibonacci 38.2 right on the same spot, right here exactly. And that tells us that the silver has a high probability to continue the fall after making right now a pullback at Fibonacci 23.6, then to continue the fall till it reaches Fibonacci 38.2, where it most likely will continue the rise and also respecting the previous level of a support trend line. That's of course another way in analyzing the market that most likely you haven't seen before. That's what we do in Xtreme Trader. Now let's get rid of these lines, because most likely we have actually determined our TP, because we are actually looking to sell. Let's now move to the daily chart. Let's even move to the 4-hour time frame to show you something. So of course right here, based on the 4-hour time frame, what we have right here is of course a head and shoulder pattern, which means we are actually looking for a potential continuation in the fall. Now, since the silver actually reversing upon the pressure of this support at the bracket of 47.9, most likely, my friends, it will continue to rise to retest one more time the real level of resistance right here exactly at 50.563. Why? This was, of course, the nearest level of a real resistance to this bearish breakout candle, and also it was a strong key level of a support that most likely is going to be respected. That being said, I'm actually expecting from the silver to continue the rise a little bit more to finish the pullback, and then the real level of resistance is going to be respected, and the silver most likely will continue the fall till it reach our TP at 44.370. But for the sake of reality, I mean, this is going to be around 600 pips. I would like to choose this level of a real support right here at 45.8 as our TP. So hopefully this signal is going to be triggered and achieve the TP. That being said, our TP is going to be around 463 pips. And in this case, the safe zone or the stop loss has got to be right here at the right shoulder at 52.219, expecting around 200 pips of a safe zone against 465 pips of TP. Let me now please write this signal for you. And that will be, my friends, our analysis for the silver for the upcoming week. I hope it's going to be beneficial to everyone, and hopefully it will work well as predicted. And in the end, of course, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. The channel is Xtreme Gold Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.